It's load bearing. One of the most common renovation requests we get is, can we remove this wall to open up this space?
Today, we're talking all about removing a load-bearing wall, what it takes, how much it costs, and how long it will really take to pull it all off here on Long Island.
Let's dive right in. First, what exactly is a load-bearing wall? It's a wall that supports the structure above it, which could be an attic, your second floor, or maybe even a roof.
Removing it will open up your space, but it's not as simple as just knocking it down. You'll need a structural solution, typically some sort of beam replacement.
All right, now let's talk numbers. How much does it cost to remove a load-bearing wall here on Long Island, New York? Here on Long Island, removing a load-bearing wall typically costs anywhere between $10,000 and $25,000 or more.
Here's 4 factors that will impact that price. Number 1, wall length and size. A bigger wall will typically cost more to support and remove.
Number 2, beam type. Keeping it simple, steel beams will typically cost more than engineered wood.
Number 3, plumbing, electrical, and HVAC relocation. Any of those mechanicals have a line running through the wall that you're looking to remove, expect more cost.
And lastly, number 4, finish work. This includes repairing floors, patching ceilings, and any painting that's involved.
If your wall is small and simple, expect to pay something closer to the $10,000 range.
And if your wall is larger and maybe has some utilities running through it, you'll want to figure that it's going to be closer to $20,000 or $25,000.
Now, how long will this take?
Removing a load-bearing wall is a big project and typically takes anywhere between 1 and 2 weeks to finish, unless the load-bearing wall is part of a larger project at hand. Then it could be a little bit quicker.
Now let's break down that timeline. The first 1 to 2 days would be an engineering assessment and planning how you're going to go about the actual project. The next 2 to 4 days would be demo, temporary support, and the actual installation of the new structural beam. And lastly, expect anywhere between 3 to 5 days of finish work. This could be flooring, drywall.
Make sure you add time if you're reworking any electrical, plumbing, or HVAC. But typically, you're looking at under 2 weeks for most homes.
Removing a load-bearing wall is one of the best ways to open up your home. Yes, it's an investment, but the transformation can be incredible.
If you're on Long Island and thinking about opening up your space, reach out to us. We'd love to help. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more renovation tips. Drop a comment below. Which wall would you knock down in your home? See you next time.